everyone, my name is Laura.
Hello, I'm Gisette.
And I am Brian. Today we are going to talk about an interesting question. What is better for learning? Studying alone or studying with friends?
So let's start. In my opinion, both methods are useful, but I usually prefer studying alone. When I study by myself, I can concentrate more and organize my time better. I don't get distracted easily.
I agree with you, Laura. I also prefer studying alone most of the time. For example, when I have an exam, I like to review the topics clearly. I can focus on difficult parts and repeat the information as many times as in need.
That makes sense. However, I prefer studying with friends. When I study alone, sometimes I feel it tired or bored. But when I study with friends, we can motivate each other and make learning more dynamic.
That's true. Studying with friends can be very helpful, especially when you don't understand something. You can ask questions and listen to different explanations.
Yes, and sometimes your friends explain things in a simpler way than a teacher. That can make it easier to understand the topic.
Exactly. Also, when we study together, we can share ideas and solve problems faster. For example, in group projects, teamwork helps on finish the work more effective.
But I think studying with friends can also have disadvantage. Sometimes we start talking about other things like social media or personal topics and we lose focus.
That's very true. Distractions are the biggest problems when studying with friends.
Um, I agree, but it depends on the group. If everyone is responsible and folks studying with friends can be very productive.
So maybe the best option is to combine both methods. First study alone to understand the topic.
And they meet with friends to review, ask questions, and practice together.
In conclusion, the best way to learn depends on our personality, your learning style, and the situation.
Exactly. There is no perfect method for everyone.
The important thing is to find what works best for you.
Thank you for listening.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.